I bought and tested these indoor electric pizza ovens so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. After trying each product, I can honestly say if you're a pizza lover like me, you'll want to stick around for this. Let's find the best one for your kitchen. Product number 1. Pizzaiolo XL Electric Indoor Pizza Oven. When I first unboxed this beauty, I was struck by its sleek black design that promised to fit right onto my countertop. With the ability to heat up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit, this oven makes some bold claims. I couldn't wait to put it to the test. After preheating, I slid a homemade pizza onto the 14-inch natural ceramic stone. Within just 6 minutes, I was greeted with a perfectly cooked pizza, complete with a crispy crust that rivaled my favorite pizzeria. The dual heating zones allowed me to customize the top and bottom heat, ensuring my cheese melted just right while the crust developed that perfect golden brown hue. The built-in thermometer was a game changer, allowing me to keep an eye on the cooking process without opening the door and losing heat. Cleanup was straightforward since the stone is removable, making it easy to wipe down the oven afterward. I also appreciated the suction cups on the bottom, which kept the oven stable on my countertop, even during the wildest of pizza parties. Pros: the ability to cook a pizza in under 6 minutes and the high heat capability made this oven stand out to me. The dual heating control and removable stone for easy cleaning are also major pluses. Cons: it's a bit on the larger side, so you'll need some countertop space. The price point is higher than some smaller units, but the results are worth it. Why buy it? If you want a pizza oven that delivers professional quality pies right at home, the Pizzaiolo XL is your best bet. It combines speed, functionality, and ease of use, making it a worthy investment for any pizza lover. Product number 2. Chefman Everything Maker and Pizza Oven. The Chefman Everything Maker and Pizza Oven. This compact unit feels like a small powerhouse with its 1440 watts of cooking power. The first thing I noticed was its versatility. Not only can it whip up a 12-inch pizza, but it can also make quesadillas, omelets, and even pancakes. I was intrigued. The non-stick cooking plates made everything slide right off, making it easy to flip my pizza without any mess. The indicator lights were helpful, letting me know when it was preheated and ready to go. I also loved how quickly it heated up, just about 3 minutes, and I didn't have to wait long to satisfy my pizza cravings. Cleanup was a breeze too. Just a quick wipe with a damp cloth and I was done. Plus, the compact design made it easy to store away when not in use. Pros: this oven's multifunctionality is a huge plus, and the non-stick plates make cooking and cleaning hassle-free. The quick heat-up time is also a standout feature. Cons: the cooking area is smaller than some dedicated pizza ovens, so if you're feeding a crowd, you might have to make several pizzas. Also, it might not reach the crispy crust perfection of higher-end models. Why buy it? If you're short on space but still want versatility in your cooking, the Chefman Everything Maker is an excellent choice. It's budget-friendly and makes pizza night a breeze. Product number 3. Betty Crocker Pizza Maker Plus. I tried the Betty Crocker Pizza Maker Plus, and let me tell you, this little red gem is a true delight. At first glance, its compact size makes it fit perfectly on any countertop. I was excited to see what this device could do. It's not just a pizza maker. I was amazed to learn that it can also grill quesadillas and even make pancakes. The first pizza I made was a breeze. Within minutes, the non-stick surface had my 12-inch pie sliding right out without any sticking. The 1500 watts offered impressive heating, and I appreciated how evenly the pizza cooked. The best part? No oven required. I felt like a chef right in my kitchen. The cleanup was just as easy as cooking. I simply wiped it down and was done in no time. Pros: the joy of making your own pizza quickly and easily is unbeatable. It's versatile and can handle a variety of dishes, plus the non-stick coating simplifies cleanup. Cons: this unit may not reach the high temperatures needed for that authentic pizzeria crust, and if you're cooking for a large group, you'll probably need to make multiple pizzas. Why buy it? If you're looking for a fun, multifunctional kitchen appliance that makes pizza night exciting without the mess, the Betty Crocker Pizza Maker Plus is your go-to. It's affordable and a great addition for those who love to experiment in the kitchen. Product number 4, Pizzaiolo 12-inch electric indoor pizza oven. The Pizzaiolo 12-inch electric indoor pizza oven is next on our list. When I first fired it up, I could feel the excitement. This oven also heats up to an impressive 800 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you that pizzeria quality crust in under 6 minutes. I decided to try a traditional margherita pizza first. The natural ceramic stone worked wonders, distributing heat evenly and giving me that crispy crust I craved. I loved the adjustable heat control, which allowed me to cook the pizza to perfection. Monitoring the temperature was simple thanks to the built-in thermometer. It was satisfying to see my pizza come out golden and bubbly. Plus, the removable stone made cleanup a breeze. Pros: the high heat and quick cooking times are fantastic for pizza lovers. Its compact size makes it easy to store, and the removable stone is a great cleaning feature. Cons: like the larger version, it requires some counter space, and it might be slightly pricier than simpler models. Why buy it? If you're serious about making great pizza at home, the Pizzaiolo 12-inch is a solid choice. It combines professional features with a user-friendly design, making it perfect for both novices and seasoned cooks alike. Product number 5, Gourmet Indoor Pizza Oven Air Fryer Toaster. Last but certainly not least is the Gourmet Indoor Pizza Oven Air Fryer Toaster. This is a multi-cooker that caught my eye because of its versatility. It can bake, roast, air fry, and more, all while looking sleek in stainless steel. I was particularly impressed by its 6 dedicated pizza presets. After selecting the Neapolitan preset, I was thrilled to find that my pizza cooked in just 2 minutes. The digital controls made it easy to adjust settings, and the glass viewing window allowed me to keep an eye on my pizza without opening the door. Cleanup was a dream with dishwasher-safe parts, though I recommend hand-washing the pizza stone. Pros: the variety of cooking functions means this oven can do so much more than just pizza, and the speed of cooking is impressive. The digital interface is intuitive and user-friendly. Cons: it's a bit larger than some contenders, so you'll need adequate counter space. Also, the air fry feature may not be as powerful as dedicated air fryers. Why buy it? If you want a versatile kitchen appliance that cooks pizza and does so much more, the Gourmet Indoor Pizza Oven is a fantastic choice. It's powerful, efficient, and a great value for anyone looking to elevate their cooking game. In conclusion, whether you're a casual pizza lover or a culinary enthusiast, these indoor electric pizza ovens cater to all needs. From the high-performance Pizzaiolo models to the versatile Chefman and Gourmet, there's something for everyone. Choose the one that fits your kitchen and lifestyle and enjoy delicious homemade pizza.